Greetings and welcome to GILFORD'S lectures. So today we are going to be looking at some tutorial questions on differential equations. Our instructions says that let us state the order and the degree of the following differential equations. We have differential equation A, B, C, and D. Now let us look at some definitions, more specifically the definitions of order and degree of a differential equation. So the order of a differential equation is the highest derivative order that appears in the differential equation, while the degree of a differential equation is the power to which the highest derivative is raised. Now let us look at A. dy dx plus dy on xy equals negative x to the power 4 y cubed. We discover that this is the only derivative in this equation, and this derivative is a first derivative, and hence the order is first order and the degree is 1. So this is the first order differential equation and the degree of the differential equation is 1. And why do we say the degree of this differential equation is 1? It is simply because this highest derivative is raised to the power 1. For B, we observe that we have this derivative and this other derivative, but the highest derivative is the second derivative, which is this, and hence this differential equation is a second order differential equation, and it is having degree 1 because the highest derivative is raised to the power 1. You may be tempted to take 2 as a degree, but do not do that because the definition says that the degree is the power to which the highest derivative in the equation is raised. Now let's look at C. You observe that you have this derivative and this other derivative. Clearly you see that this is a second order differential equation because the highest derivative is second derivative, and it has degree 2 because the highest derivative is raised to the power 2. You may be tempted to take 3, but remember your definitions. Now let us look at D. Observing D keenly, you notice that it is a partial differential equation because we have the del and not the normal symbol for the derivative. This function u is the dependent function, and it is the unknown function in this partial differential equation, and we have independent variables x and t. Remember that partial differential equations are those that depend on more than one independent variable. So for this partial differential equation, the order will be second order with respect to x and t, and the degree will be equal to 1, following from our definitions.